Number 2 in this review is very similar to number 1. We're going to determine if the triangles here have similarity, give the similarity statement, and if there is similarity, or if there is similarity, and of course the similarity theorem used. So given our little bucket of options here, we have triple side, we have angle angle, we also have SAS. That's our side angle side theorem here. And we have, again, triangle ABC and DEF. I'm going to be keeping it original here. Now, we do have angle C is congruent to angle F. That's good. And we have two sides. So we are definitely going to look at side angle side. Now, the only thing we have to do is, I'm going to just correct this, make that better. We have to prove that the sides are in proportion to each other. So doing small to large here, we have AC and DF as corresponding segments, and then we'll do CB to FE. Okay, so make sure, okay, so the smaller side AC on the smaller triangle matches with the smaller side on the larger triangle, right? You have to be careful about what you choose to match up. So we're going to match up 5 and 7.5, and then 7 and 10.5, right? So we have the smaller side of the small triangle again, matching to the small side of the larger triangle. Got to keep it even. In essence, I can't say, like, the wrong thing to do would be to say 5 over 10.5 equals 7 over 7.5. You would not get equal proportions, and the sides aren't matching to each other on both triangles. They're not truly corresponding sides. I'm going to go ahead and erase that real quick. And then hopefully we can get, you can just use your calculator to make sure you get the right. 5 and 7.5 are not easy here. I get 2/3. Yeah, I get 2/3 here. I get 0.6 repeating. And then 7 divided by 10.5, again, is 2/3. So I like that. Your teacher will want to see those proportions matching, and of course, those included angles. So both angle C and angle F are included between those two sides, side angle side. So that's going to be our congruent statements would be triangle ABC is not congruent, sorry, similar, and then triangle DEF, and we are using our side angle side similarity triangle theorem.